The Somali Federal Government warns of foreign interference in the country's internal affairs. The Minister of Information in the Somali Federal Government, His Excellency, Othman Abu Bakr Dobar, affirmed his commitment to protecting the sovereignty of the Somali people and their government. The minister pointed out that the statements issued by some foreign ambassadors are outside the scope of diplomatic norms, stressing that such practices are not acceptable to the Somali people and their government. He added, "We expect the international community to protect the independence and unity of the international community. The Federal Republic of Somalia is a sovereign state, and its internal affairs are safeguarded. There are ambassadors who send messages to the Somali government and people that do not abide by international law, violate the sovereignty of states, and the violation of the internal affairs of the Federal Republic of Somalia is a red line. It cannot be surpassed." Meanwhile, Minister Dobi called on heads of state who did not attend the conference during the past 3 days to join and assume the national role and responsibility to advance the democratic process in the country.